Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to this series of videos in which we are showing you how we can create a dashboard. And we have a simple scenario in front of us that we built a database of having which serves a database which serves numerous conditions and numerous users. Uh, Everyone having different calendar, different pace of working, different mandates of every day's due activities and perform and overdues. So, uh, so this dashboard is using the front end on Excel and back end on Microsoft Access. And this is the update which we have done in our previous presentation, that the title of the report will be more informative, having telling you that what are the mandate necessary essential activities and what is the rate. So when it is written first of every month means visiting five doctors first of every month, right? And when it says, for example, this customer outlets visits, six outlets visits, last of every month, last day of every month. So he has to report at least six customer outlets, right? And this is our for Muslims, for example, they have to perform six uh, prayers mandatory every day. So the report will be showing you the the title of the report, which will come in a minute. Yeah? That is performance of qada, and six per day. Six per day means six salats per day. Six qada uh, uh, per day has to be performed, and since so whatever the rate of the performance, so that may vary. Five, when it's written five, it means five into six, that is 30 prayers performance in addition to the regular prayers, which are daily, the six prayers which are mandatory on daily basis, right? So, and we have showed you that you can generate the email, right? And generating the email was through the attachment in previous, and today we have made an enhancement here that this will embed the PDF into the body text of the email, right? For example, if we want to send it, so let's send it, and we have a yes in here. So the email is being sent, and the Outlook has been opened. It has embedded it into and send it. Right now, you can see in the target location where you have this email coming. Email will become, yes, this is the guy, and it will be having an embedded PDF, not an attachment, right? If you see the latest one, 0 minute ago, yeah, this one. So it is now shown as an embedded HTML, right? Embedded PDF, right? So let me show you that how have we done it. So we went to uh, search, we went to the Google search, and in the Google search, we searched for automation of this embedding of the PDF. So the AI provided us this code. We embedded it. All we need to do is using the variable PDF path, right? So PDF path has been already set, and this is the file name. We put it in here, and this embeds the PDF into over there, not an attachment. Otherwise, for attachment, we had this command which we have disabled. This was the command, so which was sending the attachment to the users as a with a as a attachment of the email. So sometimes it is more useful, purposeful if we instead of using the attachment way, we embed the attachment into the body text of your email. So for this, all you need to do is uh, the same thing which we did, that you mentioned the recipient address that would be looked up. This For the moment I'm using only one. Otherwise it will be looked up as we have used the lookup for the subject, right? Yeah. Similarly, we will be using the lookup for the email address here. So it will start going to their respective email addresses. Right? And the body format is to HTML, and then we do events so that there is certain weight involved while creating this Word document, Word editor. So Word editor is now putting the PDF into uh, the R-Coexist document .7. So this is what our object is, and it is embedded, and with the command .send, it is sent here. When everything is done, all the attachments has been done, all the required things are ready. Now they all you need to do is use the .send command to fire the email out. So this goes to the recipient. Okay, so let me try it again for a different user, just to show you that it will, in the same code is working for any other situation, right? So it is where it is now uh, passing it on to the Outlook, and it has been sent, right? When you see the Outlook is there, Outlook is sending it. First, it will come into the outbox, and then it will close it, right? So so you can see that the email for any minority is the 6 customer outlets visits on the last day of every month are being reported with a dashboard with all the financials and other statistics mentioned here, right? So let's see. So yeah, this is the where the email should come. Mm, Sometime it takes delay. Okay. Let the email come. Yeah. Yeah. Customer outlets. Okay. This is the one, right? So, animal alternate, this and this. Okay. So I hope you like this use of automation using Excel, using Microsoft Access and Outlook for sending the emails to the users. Thank you very much for watching.